with me, Evrania Scholastica Tara. In this video, I will present the article about the role of social networking sites in early adolescent social life. This is the table of content. Okay, the first background. The aim of this study was to examine the role of social networking sites in early adolescent social life. First, we investigate the relation between SNS use and several aspects of early adolescent social life. Second, we examine whether there are differences between SNS users and non-users in terms of their social life. The second problem. What the problem? 1. What is the role of social network in the social life of early adolescents? 2. Can social networking sites damage the social life of teenagers? The third limitation. Although this study is theory-driven, an inverse explanation for our findings can also be imagined, where SNS use might be influenced by the quality of early adolescent friendship, bridging social capital and social capital bonding. Therefore, although there are significant differences, they found no evidence to conclude that not being a member of the SNS can damage adolescent social development. Perhaps this is what one might expect, given that SNS use competed with a variety of other means of social interaction that early adolescents have, including other means of communication, school and family life. 4. The objective of study. The research objective was to determine the role of social networking sites in early adolescent social life. In addition, the aim of this study is to investigate whether there are a systematic demographic difference between adolescents who are and are not SNS member, and b. the effect of not being member of SNS on social life. 5. Significance of study. The first, friendship and early youth. During early adolescence, the goals and importance of peer groups and friendship change dramatically. Early adolescents begin to detach themselves from their parents and increasingly turn to their peers to discuss their feelings and concerns. The second, use of social networking sites and quality of friendship. One of the most important aspects of a good social life is high-quality friendship. Given that early adolescents are usually concerned with peer acceptance, they are even more receptive to SNS because of this different ways to connect with their peers without adult supervision. The third, use of social networking sites and social capital. Third, use of social networking sites and social capital. Another important aspect of early adolescent social life is their social capital. Social capital can be defined as the amount of resources, actual or virtual, that an individual or group accrues due to having a durable network of more or less institutionalized relationship of acquaintance and recognition. User versus non-user. Finally, the explicit aim of this study was to investigate the difference between SNS users and non-users in early adolescent social life. Given that previous research had only concern of studying SNS users, Based on the previously hypothesis, positive effects of using SNS on different aspects. 6. Review of literature. The study is the first to systematically investigate the role SNS in early adolescent social life. Only two previous studies have investigated the use of early adolescents SNS. However, they focus on self-presentation and impression formation. 7. Analysis and design. This study used a systematic investigating design, taking samples, data collection technique, observation, measurement, and getting results. Data collection can be done in early adolescence. 8. Finding. The result of this study suggests that there may in fact be positive social outcomes from using SNS. However, using SNS appears to have a positive relationship with the quality of early adolescent friendship and their social experience capital. All of these aspects are important in the daily life of their early and early teen social relationship with friends. 9. Conclusion and suggestion. After investigating the role of the use of SNS in relation to variables in social life, the use of SNS has a positive impact on the quality of early adolescent friendship, bridging social capital and building social capital. They report a higher level of friendship quality, which indicates that they were more satisfied with their friendship. B. A higher degree of bridging social capital, which means they are in contact with new people more often and feel they are part of the larger community. And C. A higher level of social bonding capital, meaning they have more people they can seek advice and talk about personal matters. Okay, that's a presentation from me. Sorry if there is an error because I'm still learning. Thank you for watching.